Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into an important health topic, cervical cancer. So it is the condition that affects thousands of women around the world. But with the right knowledge, prevention and early detection, we can significantly reduce its impact. So what exactly is cervical cancer? It occurs when abnormal cells grow uncontrollably on the cervix, the lower part of the uterus that connects to the vagina. And this type of cancer is generally caused by the persistent infection with high risk strain of the human papilloma virus or HPV. HPV is the short form of this virus. HPV, this virus is a very common virus and most people will have it at some point in their lives. And not all of the strains of this virus is harmful, means which lead to the cancer, but the strain which is responsible for the cancer, if it affects the human being, so definitely it causes the cervical cancer. Now let's talk about the symptoms. In the early stages, cervical cancer often shows no symptoms. But as a cancer progresses, women may experience the abnormal bleeding. So this could include a bleeding between the periods, after sex or after menopause. Second thing is a pelvic pain. So persistent pain in the pelvic area or pain during intercourse. Third one is the unusual discharge. So discharge that may be watery, tinged with blood or foul smelling. So if you experience any of these symptoms, it's important to speak with a healthcare provider. Early detection can save lives. So one of the best way to detect cervical cancer early is through the regular screening, like that pap smear test. Have you heard about it? Or HPV test. So these tests can identify abnormal cells before they turn into the cancer and giving women the chances to seek treatment early. So prevention is the key, and one of the most effective ways to reduce your risk of cervical cancer is through vaccination. The HPV vaccine recommended for both girls and boys around ages 11 to 12 and can protect against the strains of HPV most likely to cause cervical cancer. Studies have shown that the vaccine is highly effective at preventing the types of HPV that cause the majority of cervical cancers. It's a simple and safe way to protect your future health. So beyond the vaccination and regular screening, maintaining a healthy lifestyle also plays a role in prevention. Smoking, for instance, increasing the risk of cervical cancer. So quitting can reduce your chances of developing the disease. So here are some key takeaways. First one is get vaccinated against the HPV. Second thing, get screened regularly with the pap smear test and HPV test. Quit smoking to reduce your risk. And visit your healthcare provider for any unusual symptoms. So cervical cancer is a serious condition, but with regular screening, vaccination and lifestyle choices, we can protect ourselves and those we care about. Remember, early detection saves lives. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this information with those who need to hear it. Stay informed, stay healthy. Thank you.